right, in this video, we're going to be looking now at identify if something is a polynomial, yes or no. So I made a little note going all the way back to the top of the notes. In order for a function to be a polynomial, it has to have no fractions and no negatives in the exponent. Doesn't matter what's out front, it only matters what's in the exponent. So this first one, 3. 3 does not have any fractions and it does not have any negatives in the exponent. It doesn't have an exponent, but it doesn't have fractions or negatives. So we would say that 3 is a polynomial, and we're going to circle the polynomials. All right, going across, 4x to the 1/4 power plus 2. Well, because I have a 1/4 in the exponent, that is not a polynomial. Because I have a fraction in the exponent. All right, the next one, negative 4x minus 7x squared. Looking at the exponents, I have no negatives or no fractions, and so that is a polynomial. Now, some students say, but there's a negative 4 and a negative 7. Yes, but that's not in the exponent, so that is still a polynomial. All right, the next one to the right, 7x to the 8th plus 2x to the 3rd minus 5. Zooming in on the exponents, I don't have any negatives or any fractions in the exponent, and so that is a polynomial. Negative 8x to the 3/4 power. I have a fraction in the exponent, and so that is not a polynomial. And then the next one to the right, negative 3x to the 3rd plus 8x squared minus x to the negative 1 power. This is not a polynomial because it has a negative 1 in the exponent. And then going to the right, the last one on the notes, 6x to the 3rd minus 6 minus 7x squared. And that is a polynomial because there are no fractions and no negatives in the exponents. So here's one from your homework that I wanted to add in. 1/2 x squared plus 4y squared minus 3. Now this actually is a polynomial. And the reason that I wanted to add this one in the notes is because students see the 1/2 and they think that it's not a polynomial because it has a fraction in it. But remember, the stipulation is no fractions and no negatives in the exponents. And these exponents are 2. And so that's fine. This actually is a polynomial.